A touching moment at a local Taco Bell has gone viral, and it started after an employee signs to a deaf customer.
That exchange was caught on camera and is now being shared across the world. As the Now's Lauren Wilson explains, the moment was 2 years in the making.
Caleb Francis is your typical 18-year-old, just trying to figure out life after high school.
I'm always trying to keep busy, so whatever I can do to not sit around and do nothing is kind of what I like to do.
But when it came to choosing electives in school 2 years ago, he knew he wanted to try something a little different.
And I didn't want to take art, I didn't want to take ceramics. I thought everyone I know here takes Spanish, French, my dad speaks French.
So he took 2 years of sign language, never knowing when or where he would use it.
I was like, all right, I'll just take sign language, no big deal. I wasn't oh, I really want to take it. And it was I picked it up like that. I definitely knew that there was going to become a point where I could use it.
But one day, as he was working here at Taco Bell during the day shift, that thought became a reality as a customer who was deaf stood in line, lost and confused, until Caleb stepped in.
He wanted a side of salsa and sour cream, but he didn't know how to order a side of salsa and sour cream. And then we just kind of started communicating a little bit through that.
Another customer in line caught the interaction on camera, posted on social media, and that's when it went viral.
When I saw the video, I was very, very happy and very proud. He's so super with customers.
With over 200 shares in less than 2 days, Caleb tells me for him, it's just about helping someone in need and speaking the language he's grown to love.
I think the biggest misconception about all of this is people say oh, you probably made his day so much easier. But what people don't understand is that it is just as exciting for me to get to sign to people. So when someone says, oh, I signed, it's oh, it's so exciting to me.
Caleb tells me that since his interaction, he has had 3 other deaf people come in to specifically sign their orders with him. He says he's going to continue to practice and become more fluent. For the Now, I'm Lauren Wilson.